I have had a cameo on the X Factor the same year as One Direction.
Yeah, go ahead.
I served the last customer in my Woolworths store.
Fuck your top shops. Bring back Woolworths.
I currently work for an oil company in the office as a accounts payable assistant. I have a huge phobia of snakes, but I love cats.
They're all good. I know who they are. Oh, gorgeous, aren't we?
I am from Aberdeen, Scotland. A lot of people think I am Irish, which is not true. I was born in Aberdeen, Scotland. I have been brought up in Aberdeen, Scotland, and my family is from Aberdeen, Scotland. I don't support Aberdeen Football Club, though I've never supported them, never will. I support Rangers. Rangers now, Rangers then, Rangers forever. I don't believe in that shit where you have to support the city you were born in or brought up in. What happens if you were born in a country that is anti-gay? Do you support them? Fuck no. I also miss playing football, but I currently have 6 stitches still in my eye. I got 2 out last month. I have an eye condition called keratoconus. I just had a eye operation. I got a cornea replacement in my right eye, and I'm don't know if you can see it,